Hey, Sabrina with Wildlife X Team, and this is part 2 about woodpeckers. The diet of woodpeckers consists of mainly insects and their grubs taken from living and dead trees, and other arthropods, along with fruit, nuts, and sap from live trees. Woodpeckers roasting at night inside of their holes. In most species, the roost will become the nest during the breeding season. Woodpeckers range from highly antisocial, solitary species that are aggressive toward other members of their species to species that live in groups. Compared to other birds, most species of woodpeckers have a very distinct flight pattern. It's made up of several rapid wing beats, which is then followed by a quick glide when the woodpecker's wings are tucked against their body rather than spreading them out. While most birds have one toe pointing back and 3 pointing forward on each foot, woodpeckers have 2 sharply clawed toes pointed in each direction to help them grasp the side of the trees and balance while they hammer. Strong, dense muscles in the bird's neck give it strength to repeatedly thump its head, but it is extra muscles in the skull that keep the bird from getting hurt. These muscles act like a protective helmet for their brain. Unlike the human brain, the woodpecker's brain is tightly confined by muscles in the skull and is compressible and a compressible bone. This keeps the woodpecker's brain from jiggling around when the bird is stabbing away at the tree. Woodpeckers are able to peck 20 times per second. It produces between 10,000 and 12,000 pecks per day. Woodpeckers peck into trees in search of food or to create a nesting site. They also drum or peck in a rapid rhythmic succession to establish their territory and attract mates. Drumming usually occurs in the spring or on metal or wood surfaces. It may occur a number of times during a single day, or it can last for several months. Woodpeckers make a wide variety of noises but do not sing. They can make chirps, chatters, and other alarm calls. Drumming is the woodpecker's equivalent of singing.